Welcome back, guys. So a, this is on Wednesday. So let's just do a quick update with what the market has done for us in this second week of June. So currently you can see this is NZD card. I've been waiting for this pullback, and you can see market broke above and it retested this zone right now, but it didn't give me any entry point. So right now this is when I'm anticipating for the change to buy. So as you can see now, the 1 hour time frame is having this nice shift. This is a nice shift I was looking for. You can see now we're having a clear nice shift there. So all I need is uptend in the when going to 30 minutes time frame. You can see we're having this nice shift. So what I need right now is simply market to just have this nice push. If this new 30 minutes candle will have this nice engulfing maybe at that zone, I'll simply take the trade. And if the 30 minutes candle will have a nice bearish move candle, red candle, it's okay, it's even better, so I can have the other 30 minutes candle to simply give me that entry signal I'm looking for. But as of now, I'm not yet interested in this pair, even though it's ready to go, but I just need more confirmation. Yeah, and that's it on NZD card. So this is what it looks like in the 1 hour time frame. And we have USD card. USD card, as of now, I'm still waiting for this pullback. We have not yet had that one pullback. It almost tapped on my level there, but as you all know, I said until it touches this level, then I'll be interested in selling this market. And as of now, I didn't get anything. And you can clearly see that the 4 hour is now bearish. The 4 hour has turned bearish. Yeah, the 4 hour is turned bearish now. You can also see that the one when it tapped here, it did not even though it gave me a shift there, it did not completely retest at the zone. So I simply didn't take the trade at all. I just let it be. And Euro GPP, you can see that the daily finally had this it finally had this nice head and shoulder I was looking for, and you can see it's been formed right now, and it has been broken above. So all I need is this nice pullback. I will be simply even trading this next week because I still need this pullback. If I won't have it this week, cool, I'll wait for it to happen the following week, which is here. Yeah, and as of now, you can see on the 4 hours time frame, we didn't have it. We didn't have the pullback, and this should be somewhere right there. Yeah, should be somewhere right there. And we didn't have the pullback. Let's see, even on the 1 hour time frame, even though we had the pullback, this was not the initial. I need a deeper pullback where I can put my stop loss. I keep on telling you, if my stop loss is not making sense, I simply don't take the trade. Because right now, if I was to click buy, if I was to click buy at this zone, my stop loss is supposed to be all the way down here. You see, because this is where the 1 hour was bullish. Yeah, so and my take profit has to be here. So imagine I have to risk all this just to gain that small win. So I still expect this market to have that initial pullback at this low, at that level. If it won't give me that pullback, then cool, we won't simply take the trade. We'll just simply look for other opportunities. And I still believe once this market will be testing this level, even this EMA will be probably at that point, and this will be a very nice A plus trade. We just have to be a bit more patient. Yeah, and next we have NZD JPY. You can see I didn't have the retest I was looking for, so I simply didn't take the trade. Because you can remember on Friday the market was right there, so I was waiting for this pullback. It happened. If you look at this, you can maybe think the pullback already happened. Maybe at this zone, maybe we're supposed to enter our buys at this level here, but we missed this setup. So the only way we can buy this again is if market can retest at this point one more time, because we missed this setup in the previous week. Yeah, because let me just do this for you. If we put this on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that market already broke above this zone. This zone right there, even though it didn't have a initial break. So you can see the daily broke, and the 4 hour also broke and retested, and it retested, but still That was the other weekend we're not trading this pair. So this is when we are now interested in this pair again, but we can only trade if the market can have this nice initial push to the downside. And as it's looking now, this market is making higher highs and higher lows, so we just have to be a bit more patient. Maybe I anticipate today we might have the break, then that would be good for us. If not, then probably this might play out next week. And next we have GBP CHF. I'm currently in this trade, and this will be a point where I now show you in the challenge. So this is the challenge. You can remember last week we took two losses. You can see we took these two major losses, and these 0.101, these are just trades I take if I'm not taking the trade, because you have to place a trade every single day, because that's according to the rules. And so you can clearly see right now we are up $1,100. And yeah, you can say, why did you not close when the market was at this zone here? When the market was at that zone? No, because this was not even a 1 to 2, my minimum profit target, because my minimum profit target should be at least a 1 to 2 uh, risk to reward ratio, but I didn't get it, so that's why I held. And the market, can see right now, it's still going to the zone. And this market, if you can look at it in that perspective, in this perspective, you can be like, why didn't it close because of this long candle? No. This market really has more potential than you can even think of right now, because if I switch this to a daily time frame, you can clearly see that once this daily candle closes at this zone here, if it can just have a nice closure at this zone right there, this will be a very long trade, and I can simply just wait and let it play out even all the way up to this zone here without doing anything. Because if you look at this trade right now, you can see that the daily is trying to form this nice head and shoulder. You have the left head and potential right and shoulder right now, that's trying to be formed. So you just have to be a bit more patient, and it's really how you look at the market. So for this one, this is a swing trade that I took, and I'll just be monitoring this trade as of now. So this is not a bad trade. Just have to be a bit more patient. But I believe this week or next week, this market will reach all the way up to this side here. Just have to, because I know if we can just have a closure here, then we'll make a nice head and shoulder. That's why I really want. That's why let me even do this. Daily made and shoulder. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. We could have had this yesterday, but the market just chose to retest. And the reason why I held this, because we can see the daily closed with a nice strong daily engulfing candle right here. You can see right there. So this is, even if the market can close like this today, I'll still hold, because this is still a nice bearish confirmation. So this is a swing trade that I've taken, and I won't do anything. I'll just let this trade play out. And lastly, we have CAD JPY. CAD JPY, I had the break in the weekly time frame. You can see this head and shoulder right there, but markets, in some reason, didn't choose to respect my level, just went up. So the only reason I'll consider this as my second level to buy, this one right there, is if market can close above this zone. But as of now, I'm still expecting this. Let me even do this right here. Yeah, I'm still expecting this initial push to happen, even though we didn't have it. Yeah, so we simply didn't take any trade. So as of now, I feel like the next trade we might take is NZD card, just because of the way it's looking. Because you can see that as of now, we're having that 1 hour retracement I was talking about, and the 30 minutes time frame, the same retracement I was talking about. So maybe the next 30 minutes candle is the one I expect to have that push, so it can give me that nice engulfing I'm looking for, so I can simply take my buys at that zone right there. But as of now, we simply have no trade. So, and the current trade is running up to $1,000. And bro, we even reached $1,900, but it didn't touch my take profit, so I didn't close the trade. I just let it run, and it even went back to $300, but now we are up back in profit. So that's the beauty of this. You just have to let the trades play out, because you can see this is where it closed and just went all the way up. Yeah, but so yeah, I'll update you guys probably on Friday if we'll take this trade or not. But this is my next setup that I'm interested in for this week. As I can clearly tell, this one, nothing will happen probably this week. Maybe next week. USD card didn't get the initial push. USD NZD card just went all the way up. So yeah, and if this can close like this, then we have to give it at least next week to have to have the initial retracement at this zone. Meaning, I probably won't even be taking this trade next week. Maybe the other week, cause maybe the next week is when we'll have that nice week, that nice uh weekly candle to have the retest. So as of now, this is what I have for you guys, and that's it.